If you've come across Broadcom Clarity and you'd like to know a little bit more about who they are, what they offer, and how they can benefit you, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to go through all of those details. So stick close and let's dive in. Alright, so what is Broadcom Clarity? So it is a powerful project portfolio management system or tool. It aligns projects with business goals, it optimizes resources, and it tracks performance. Clarity can help teams make more data-driven decisions, increase project success rates, and overall organizational efficiency. Let's have a look at it a bit more. So it does offer strategic portfolio management. So you can see all your projects and investments across your organization all in one centralized project view. You also get to rank projects by business goals to prioritize efforts, and you can run a what-if analysis to optimize portfolio mix and resource use. You can also see over here it offers a budget and a forecast tool, so you can actually manage top-down budgeting and improve investment governance. It also has resource management and capacity planning. So what is this? You get real-time resource visibility. This allows you to track resources, availability, and skills to match project needs. The capacity planning ensures that resources align with current as well as future project demands, and you get to also identify bottlenecks. This spots skill gaps and resources constraints before they actually impact your delivery. It also comes with a time tracking management system, so you can actually manage time sheets for accurate project costing as well as billing. Lastly, we're going to have a look at project execution and tracking. So you get a collaborative platform, so you can actually streamline your team communication and task management all in one place. You can monitor your milestones, deliverables, and real-time project status, which of course is very important. You can also identify and address potential problems proactively, and you can gain insights to improve project performance continuously. That means projects that you're currently working on as well as future projects. So there you go, folks. That's software in a nutshell. You can go ahead and drop a like if this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more, you can visit their website, and we will see you in another awesome video.